Hi, I'm Curt Frye. In this video, I would like to show you how to hide values that are in a cell in an Excel worksheet. The sample file that I'm using is named Hide Cell Values, and you can download it using the link that I provide in the video description below. I'm working with a workbook that I had last week, and I wasn't happy with my solution, which was to make the numbers in the cells that are used as part of this analysis smaller by changing the font size so they are harder to see. The problem is they're still there and you know that they're still there. So the question that I had was if there was a way to make the numbers vanish entirely. And in fact there is. So I'll press Ctrl Z, and with cells E3 through N12 still selected, I will create a custom format. So I'll go to the Home tab of the ribbon, click the Number Format control, and then click More Number Formats. And then at the bottom of the category list, I will click Custom. So if you look over to the right, you can see that there are a number of formats that have positive and negative values. So I have here a value that uses operators or code characters I won't describe here. But then after a semicolon, you have a way of indicating what negative values would be. So you have positive values, negative values, and then if you go further, you would see that you have 0 and also text. And you can assign a different color based on each of those 4 conditions. But what I want to do is to set each of them to null, and that means you don't display them at all. So in the type box, I will highlight general and get rid of it, and then I will basically type 3 semicolons, so I'll have null, semicolon, so it'll be null for positive, semicolon, null for negative, semicolon, null for 0, and then semicolon followed by nothing, which is what we would use for text. So I'll just type 3 semicolons, click OK, and the numbers have disappeared entirely. And if you wanted to, you could do the same thing for the 51s at the end of each of the ranges for the expressive range analysis heat map. I wanted to make this a quick tip, and yes, I used a more complicated spreadsheet than I needed to, but I had the example up, and I thought it was a great follow-on to last week's movie. I hope you enjoyed this tip. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.